Good morning, people. It's Saturday, 22nd of March. It's a beautiful day in the UK. Hopefully, it's going to stay like this for the rest of the day, but we do have a bit of rain forecasted, and we're going to discuss GMGI. Did you fall for this yesterday? Did you fall for the dump by the shorts, only for the bullish buyers to come back in? Day trading. Well, we're investors, and today we're going to discuss GMGI and what happened and why it happened on the release of a earnings report. So without further ado, let's have a look at GMGI. In the past couple of videos we've discussed GMGI, so you can find those videos on our, I think it's TikTok and YouTube. At this moment in time, we're on a weekly time frame looking at GMGI, and you can see that the 50-day moving average has begun to straighten itself out. Price did close sort of in and around the 50-day moving average, with the midway point for the anchored volume weighted average price for the financial year and the full year's financial anchored volume weighted average price also sort of magnetising towards price. And it is in a huge traffic area at the moment for buyers and sellers. As you can clearly see, for a number of weeks it has been literally just stuck in this zone where there's been an accumulation of shares. Now what we feel is we still stand by our research. This stock we see as still undervalued, and I must admit I was a bit surprised yesterday on the open of this stock. So let's go to the daily time frame. Daily time frame, we need, there we go. Right, so I'm just going to zoom in. So on the release of the earnings report yesterday, there wasn't much to it. It's been exactly the same for the past couple of weeks, but what we have noticed is the revenue 38 million, earnings per share is negative, but that's understandable because they do carry debt. But as we've said time and time again, they're able to pay off that debt. With the last quarter they've paid off 1.5 million pounds worth of debt, reducing their debt from 11 down to 10 million, there or thereabouts. So what actually happened on market open yesterday? So it's Friday the 21st. Let's go to the minute time frame. We don't use the minute time frame. Day trading is very easy when you know what to do, but it's only really for short-term gains, and you've got to have substantial amounts of money. We're in it for the longer time period, for bigger gains. But you can still utilize this video for day trading. So let's have a look. Where did the market open? Oh yeah, I'm miles away, aren't I? Hold on. There, I think it's here. Yeah. Okay, I'm just going to zoom in now. Okay, market opened yesterday as it would do, and as you can clearly see, sellers, shorts, tried to take the advantage and push this stock down, assuming that the stock was basically going to be going down to the new price zone area of this. However, investors stepped straight back in again and thought, yep, no problem, we'll swallow up those shorts and we'll buy that stock back because it's still seen as cheap, and we were in there as well. We bought in and around this area here. Let's just get rid of the moving average and let's add the VWAP. Okay, so as the average volume weighted average price started to decline, we knew that obviously investors were still in this area, because clearly it is seen the stock as still cheap in relation to the industry that it's in. And as you clearly see, huge volume in and around $1.84. Now we didn't even take notice of this, but it's just ironic the fact that exactly at the point where we started accumulating more shares to reduce our average price, other investors also had the same idea, and all that happened is it just shot straight back above anchored volume weighted average price again, and then held in and around the area which point is our key area of interest. And as I say, it is really ironic that this key area of interest was drawn in relation to previous historical data. So if we go back to a monthly chart a minute, and let me just tidy this up. Can we tidy it up? Let me just reset. No, I've just completely messed it up now, haven't I? You have to bear with me a second, guys. This is what happens when you're doing live recaps. Can I do that? I'll be ready, balls it up now. What the fuck is going on with this bloody thing? Well, trading views completely glitched out here, hasn't it? I mean, if anyone could help me out here in the comments and let me know what's going on. Oh yeah, there we go, got there in the end. Jesus Christ. Right, monthly. Oh, you're taking the piss now. Okay. Anyway, let's just use the daily, for God's sake. Let's go back to here, August 24, clear rebound, holding of the position. Here again, opened, clear holding the position, broke through, yeah, but accumulated around this area. Ridiculous spike up for no apparent reason, huge volume, no news, no earnings, just a lot of sellers, and then come straight back down to here, come back up here again, broke through, held. So we still, this is seen as cheap, yeah, you know, it's what's that, a 30 cents gap. So if you bought in here, then well done to you, because you've got this stock cheap in relation to the research that we've done. And let's just go further back, all the way back to January 24, the financial start of the year for this stock. Look at this, yeah, rebounds, and dated all the way back to July 2023, rebounds all the way back to 2023. So what we're saying is it's a very strong area of interest and seen as cheap at this moment in time. So yeah, I hope it's been informative. If you need any comments, any questions, by all means put them in the comments below and I'll do my utmost best to answer them for you.